your hands up. Let's go. Rev-Up, how you feeling tonight? Make some noise. Yeah. I'm sick, can I please? Hell yeah. Tonight we clean, look you mean. Throw our hands up in the air. I am the boss, so you can't tell me nothing. Yeah, okay. I'm saying, I am the boss, so you can't tell me nothing. Yeah, you know this, and sing.
Oh, I don't care with what you say. Somebody tell me why they all up in my face. Is it cause I'm violent, got you following me?
Hear me out right now.
I don't need you now.
Talk to him. Talk to him.
Let's be honest.
What you wanna hear?
The people want best.
Yeah.
Tonight I'm all good to go. Just don't hit her to the show.
Good to go.
VIP, we looking lavish.
Yeah.
Top floor, our floor selfish. And I just might turn the whole party up. It's about the time to get this motherfucker up. Yeah.
Say, baby, can you feel it? Yeah. You know
right off the top. The best in the building. Say we don't stop. Oh, I don't care, we don't hear what you say. Somebody tell me why they all up in my face. Is it cause I'm violent, got you following me? Hear me out right now. I don't need you now.
Take it, bro. If you came to the party, what's up? Okay. Grab a friend, fill the club, cause the night's still young and the beat so dumb. And the club so fun, everybody young. Yeah, we on that swagger on 100. We got burgers on the couches. They ain't hanging with no couch. Get your weight up, skinny. It's about to get real heavy in this thing. Get your drinks on. We about to go all the way up in this. Now it's my ringtone. Now it's your ringtone. Now call me on my phone and you can sing along. Sing.
Baby, can you feel it? Right off the top.
Yeah.
The best in the building.
Where the bass at?
Say we don't stop. Alright, okay, we don't hear what you say. Somebody tell me why they all up in my face. Is it cause I'm violent, got you following me?
Hear me out right now.
I don't need you now.
Welcome to Rev-Up. We're SleeQ. If you're out here, I want y'all to make some noise. Y'all tune into the freshest sounds right now.
No.
Yeah.
Talk to me. Baby, can you feel it?
What you wanna hear?
Right off the top.
Yeah. What you wanna hear?
The best in the building. Here we go. I'm about to get you following me. I don't need you.
One more time.
I don't hear what you say. Somebody tell me why they all up in my face. Is it cause I'm about to get you following me? Hear me out right now. I don't need you now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Thank you.